How to add videos to Kartra. Hey guys, JR Fisher here. Good that you're here because I've got a great video for you today. Today is a video on videos, I guess. Kartra, the best marketing software in the world, allows you to actually upload your videos to Kartra. They don't charge you any data time as of right now. I don't know if that changed in the future, but as of right now they don't even charge you for data. And the cool thing is, by adding your videos to Kartra, you can actually see where people are watching, where they're leaving, what's working, what's not working. And if you host it on some other platform and then you put it on your membership site, you can't do that. So it's really super important that you actually use Kartra. Now, I've been selling online since 2009. I've sold millions of dollars of both digital and physical products, and I'm here to tell you Kartra's the best. It really is. This channel is for you guys. If you have questions about this, please put it in the comment section below. Ask me anything you'd like to ask me. If you've got input, whatever, please put that in the comment section below. It may be about Kartra, it may be about marketing online, it may be about whatever, anything having to do with make money online. Please put it in the comment section below. Now what I want to do is I want to go over to Kartra and actually show you how to add videos to Kartra. So go ahead and follow me over there and let's get going. Okay guys, I'm over at Kartra right now, and what I'm going to do, this is a bunch of videos I already have in here, but I want to show you how easy it is to upload a video on all of your tabs here. Now I'm on the video tab. You have to be on the video tab right here. You see that? Okay, on all of these tabs here, anytime you go to one of these tabs, whether it's pages, let me go to pages real quick and I'll show you. See this big green button here? This is how you add a new item. If I go to forms, big green button here. Okay, that's how you add a new item. So anyhow, I'm going to go back to videos and I'm going to add a video, and you can do multiple videos, you can do single videos. I'm going to do just one video. And what do I want to call this video? I'll just put instruction. Okay, and then I'm going to pick a category and I'm going to say it's for my inner circle, and I'm going to click create. Now once I've done that, I have to select my video. Now this tab may or may not be open. If not, just hit this little arrow down, it'll open. I'm going to click upload video, and let me see, I'm going to pick this one here, affiliate sign up. Okay, and I'm going to click open, and it will start to upload that video. Now this takes a few minutes depending on how long that video actually is. I know I did one the other day and it was about, an hour long. It took me like, 30-40 minutes to upload that one. It was pretty long. But the cool thing is, once you have these videos uploaded into the system, then you can use those same videos over and over again. So it's a little irritating right here. I would say this is one of the few areas that irritates me to Kartra. But then again, none of the other sites will allow you to even upload a video. So maybe I shouldn't be irritated because it's faster than all of them, because it's the only one that does it. And this one here looks like it's almost done here. So give it just another second or two. And I just want you to see all of the parts of this. I don't want you to miss any of the excitement of uploading videos. Okay, there it goes. So it's in there now. Now it's going to process it. This takes a couple minutes longer for it to actually, optimize the file. They call it optimizing the file, which is really just processing it. And let's give this a second more and it should be done. Okay, there we go. It is now done. So here's the steps we've done. We've done everything right here, which is just get the video in here. And you're going to see a preview of the video here. You can actually click there and you could play the video. But we've got a bunch of other things to take care of down here. Display. Do we want it embedded? Do we want it to pop up? Do we want the dimensions responsive or fixed? So you have to decide what you want to do there. Now, if you say fixed, then of course it's going to give you some choices here. If you say pop up right here, once again, it's going to give you some more choices, okay? But we're just going to say embedded. So we're just going to use it for a couple pages. Settings. Do we want to upload an image for it? Do we want to have a logo watermark on it? Do we want to show the controls right here or not show the controls? Okay. Do we want to mute it on start? Do we want to change the skin color? If you notice here, it changes the skin of that play button. We're just going to go with the standard right there. Do we want it to autoplay on upload? Do we want to use social share buttons on here? You could also do that if you want to social share it. Playback speed, you could change that. Show overlay title if you want to do that and put some overlay title up in here. I don't want to do that. But if you did, right here, you notice this box opens up and you could just type in there what you wanted. Do you want any call to actions on it? Okay, do you want to add a new call to action? You know, you could pick any of these things you want, like an opt-in, an image banner, caption, any of these things here. It's pretty amazing what you can do. And I'm going to say, no, I don't need that. Do you want to tag your leads? You know, somebody who watched this video, do you want to tag them that they watched that video? And then we've got some end actions here. What do you want to do with them afterwards? Do you want to just end the video? Do you want to loop this video from the beginning? Do you want to play another Kartra video after it? Do you want to redirect to a URL? What do you want to do? Huh? What do you want to do? Or maybe you just want to end the video. So I'm going to click publish at this point because I'm done with everything I want to do with this video. Now, this is cool. The video is right here now. Now that I've got the video in here, I can actually embed this link. So if I want to get the video right here link, I could grab that. Here's the video link, okay? And I could embed this if I wanted to on any web page I want, if I have a WordPress website. If I want to use it as a Kartra-hosted one, okay? Here it is. Autoplay, allow comments, allow download if we're doing that. Source file, if I just want the source file, okay? It does give you a warning here. Let me upsize this. It says, since this is stripped out URL to the source file, none of the amazing features offered by Kartra will work. Tag assessment, tag analytics. Of course, you know that. You can't do this stuff. So we're just going to say video player here. So I'm going to go ahead and close that. Now this video is available to me. I can go here and edit it. I can clone it. I can delete it, do whatever I want with it. Right here, there's the edit button. So if I want to edit anything, if I want to change the name of it or any of that stuff, I can actually do it. But that's it. It's pretty simple. Now I've now got a video in here. It's an asset I can use over and over and over again. Now, one thing I would really like to add, and I don't think I did this that well when I initially started putting videos in here, but look at this. Look how many videos I have in here, guys. I didn't realize I would end up with all these videos in here. I really had no clue I would. So what I learned was there's a really important step right up here, and that is categorizing them, okay? Super, super, super important is to categorize your videos. So like I've got DCA here, which is Digital Cash Academy. That's one of my courses. I've got Facebook Ads University, which is one of my courses. I have the Inner Circle, which is one of my groups. I have the email earning system, which is another one of them. So, and then I have my virtual assistant training here. And if I look at my virtual assistant training, this is a pretty cool idea if you've got any employees. I just want to kind of add this on here because we customarily think of videos as stuff that we're going to be selling to people or courses or any of that. But what I figured out was I have these VAs and employees around the world, and there's different tasks that they need to be able to do. And I have to sit down and train them. Well, I got the bright idea not too long ago, probably, I guess, a year and a half, 2 years ago. I would start recording every time I train somebody, or I would record a training and just send it to them. So now when I hire a new person, I can just assign them to watch these videos. I know when they've logged in. I know how far they've watched the video. Pretty cool, right? So I know if they're doing their training or not. And I don't have to train over and over and over again because I've put this extra stuff in here. So this was a extra step. It was extra stuff I had to do initially, but man, check it out. I only have to do it one time. So, if I want to, train somebody on how to download Facebook videos, edit, post, whatever, if I want to train somebody on new blog for new YouTube videos, how to sign up for Skype, all these different things that I was training my people on, it's now in here. These are like extra courses in here that save me time. So don't just think of this video area as an area for videos, for courses and memberships and all that. Utilize it for other things. Save anytime you're talking to somebody. Maybe you're doing interviews. Maybe you could save some of your interviews in here. You could put together a bunch of those interviews and it could end up being a course of you interviewing people. There's so many assets that we create every day that we just kind of ditch. We'll put them up on Facebook as a live and they're gone. Or, we put them in YouTube and forget about them. Put them in here in Katra and utilize them. Use them for training, use them for sales, use them for courses. There's so much more you could do with your videos. All right, let's get back out of this. Okay, so it's really that easy, guys. it's simple to do, it's cool because you got the analytics. That's all you got to do to put your video in Kartra. I really appreciate you watching this video. Do me a favor, comment below, let me know what you thought of this video. If you have any questions on trying to grow your business online, please put that below. I'll be happy to answer you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell, turn on the bell, turn on all bell notifications. You'll become part of the Fisher family, the VIP group that gets notified every single time I do a video or I go live. Also in the description below is a link to Katra. Click that link, you can go there, you can watch a free video, you don't have to opt in, you don't have to give a credit card, you don't have to give an email, nothing. Go there and watch that video. If you like Kartra, which I do and I think you will, then you can sign up with my link if you use that link, and you can get a trial for only $1. $1 is cheap, really cheap. Okay, so make sure you do that. And I also have a $97 course below you can get absolutely free for a limited time, so check that out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.